I saw the outside.
I was like, I know better than this.
What must be Oregon?
Oregon?
Nelson?
The trees that are
Yeah.
Canada. What is a wide range from evergreen?
Okay.
Guys, can I just point out these tree ferns, right? These tree ferns grow 1 centimeter a year. Maybe 2 if there's a lot of light. Look at the size of them. They're like 700 years old. They can survive bushfire better than any tree I know. Because they keep all inside is water. They have these little baby fronds that they keep all curled up inside. And when I put my finger in, I can feel water, and I can feel the top of their head.